Now, while I normally talk about dietary supplements here, one of the other things that I do is I teach personal fitness trainers. I conduct classes. As a matter of fact, I just finished my 900th personal fitness training class the other day. And one of the things that I normally don't see in textbooks is a definition of what a personal trainer is. So let me give you my definition. A personal trainer is a member of the healthcare system who prescribes exercise in a specific dosage with the goal of improving health, fitness, and wellness. And I chose those words on purpose. If you're a personal trainer, you are a member of the healthcare system, just like doctors and chiropractors and nurses are. They only see medical professionals when they're sick. You will see your clients 1, 2, 3 days a week, between 30 and 60 minutes a day for years. And that's an important thing because you have the ability to discuss topics that other professionals wouldn't. For instance, sarcopenia, which I usually talk about in class, muscle loss as we get older. That's a really important thing for everybody who is getting older in life. And also, you prescribe the most powerful drug in the world. That drug is exercise. I'm not kidding. Exercise is the only medication out there that lowers the risk of heart disease and cancer and diabetes and stroke. You name it. There is no pill. There is no shot that does everything that exercise does and does it simultaneously. Don't think that pharmaceutical companies are not trying to duplicate the effects of exercise. They have been for decades. Don't believe it? Look it up online. And the dosage of exercise you prescribe, well, that's based on something you've probably heard about called the FIT principle: frequency of exercise, intensity of exercise, time of exercise, and the type of exercise you do. Different dosages of exercise will produce different outcomes. So hopefully this little talk helped to raise your spirits wherever you are. And if you have any questions about personal fitness training, certifications, etc., feel free to reach out to me. I do talk about a lot about dietary supplements here, but I am an exercise physiologist by training, and I do spend a lot of time writing and talking about personal training. So there you have it. Take care.